Discarded by way of manifestation. What is the rule about that?
You have to get the opinion of the members. Diba? Yeah, you have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi pa ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin ah.
Eh, dapat kung nagsimula kayo.
Madam Chair, petition lang. May motion si Calder. Magtanong ka kung may objection. Pero ma-object na deliberation. Baka ma-deliberate. Let's follow the procedure. Oh, pag may objection, may deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo, if this community has the right to discard a well-kept tradition, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pindutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako ba?
Incidental lang. Ako rin nag-incidental lang. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules, you would have a motion introduced by a member, but it was an objection.
Bago po yung I was asking for an answer.
The answer is given. The answer niya based to your tradition.
Sabi ko mayroong tradisyon, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko,
Excuse po. Opo.
And it's extended at the start. At the start, it's extended before interpretation. This is required. Because the vision is suspended. And it is also introduced by a member, which will be parts of the tradition. So it's not a tradition. There's no such authorization to set it aside.
magano'n na muna tayo para ma-record. Para ma-record.
Di na kami dito. Record, sabi tayo pa nito.
Wala na dapat ang nangyari, a barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept going on? Hindi nga pinagtatanong siya. Meron pang pratinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano na pinagtatanong siya sa natin? These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong po ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, Madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may pratinela pa. Saan po ka nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Because taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Castro. When the Vice President was denied. When Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. You did not introduce.
Sana may motion siya ngayon.
But it's
That is the manifestation of the Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. Motion, then after that, Marcoleta will vote that motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot eh? Will we let just Marcoleta to speak? And then move on to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung or move a motion, parliamentary.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the reason.
Sagutin muna. Then saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. No, goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat members answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman ang tinatanong ko, pera naman dapat. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
they don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also members, we just the same. Dahil alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the
Ba't
chairman.
magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, in fact, feel ng salita na kayo. Kaya naman ito report. Pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Diba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Because, ano yung chairman ng House?
The hearing is to resume.